Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to log into your YRDSB, which means York Region District School Board. Guys, for this you need to open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. Now bring up the search bar and type in YRDSB employee login and hit the enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.yrdsb.ca. Click on that link. Now you'll be taken to the official website of YRDSB. Scroll down a bit. Now here you'll be able to see the login button, which is login now. Click on that link. Now again you will be taken to the new interface. Now here you need to enter the email and click on next. Similarly enter your password over here, and once you click on sign in button you'll be able to access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forget my password. This much for today guys. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.